Today we are going to create this glow light effect with Affinity Photo. Hey guys, I'm Dev, back with another Affinity Photo tutorial. Like always, first select your image. We are going to use glow light on this flower. So here are the steps. Go to Light Filters, Lightning, here change type to point, increase or decrease distance. I am using 4% for this work. Hold point lightning and adjust it with flower. Let's make it 5%. Now we need darker on this area, or else glow effect will not pop this image. Go to ambient, decrease it. Here change lightning color, whatever you like. I am keeping this dark green neon look. Using some levels, add mask on level, and use paintbrush and opacity 20% and gently brush slightly near face. This is an additional effect. I am going to add smoke dust effect. Change blend mode to color dodge. Reduce opacity 75%. Adjust and reposition with the image. Remove some dust from face. Here if you need to change lightning color, you can change it. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity Photo, then subscribe this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorial. You can support me on my Instagram account, link in video description. And also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with another video soon. Till then, keep practicing, because practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.